hit or miss. Vote which song takes the dub.
Hard. What we got?
Doc said I had that dog in me, but really I'm a werewolf. Dog thought you was stocking up.
Did he just howl as an Adlib?
Trying to see
That was hard, but it was a cool track. Got the emo vibes.
I need to change, but this bitch is controlling, rotting my brain, making me insane. I can't
too hard.
explain, I can't explain the pain.
I can tell there's emotion in his voice and lyrics, but this flow is just not it, my man.
I cheated in the first place.
Oh, alright. This man's cheating. Alright, we're done. Alright, this round was a little bit more easier. Gotta give it a number 1. Let me know what you guys think in the comments.